Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to do a braid out with a curl on the ends of your braid out. So today's video, I will be using Mielle Organics pomegranate and honey line. So I'll be using these size perm rods to curl the ends of my hair. So do not go anywhere, stay tuned and see my results. So first I am going to be sectioning my hair up. I always like to style my hair in sections. It makes it easier for me to style and gets to every part of my hair basically. Now I'm going to be adding my Mielle pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners because it really gives my hair the moisture boost that I need, and it's not very lightweight, so I really like it for my hair. Then I am going to go in and add my pomegranate and honey Coil Sculpting Custard. I really love this. If you're looking for a product to define your curls, this is one product from Mielle Organics that I do recommend. I am going to go in and add my pomegranate and honey twisting souffle. Now this is more of a thick consistency, semi-thick consistency. I'm going to use only the twisting souffle next time for a twist out because I really like the thickness of it. And then finally, to add shine and reduce frizz, I'm going to add to my hair a little bit of my Mielle Organics almond mint oil. After adding my product, I'm going to be using my brush to brush through my hair to reduce tangles. And then I am going to braid up my hair. And then as I'm getting towards the end of my hair, I'm going to brush it out again and place the ends of my hair, roll it around on my perm rod. I'm going to repeat this method for all the other sections of my hair until I am completely done, and then I will allow my hair to air dry for about 36 to 48 hours before I take them out. So now again, I am going to be using my Mielle Organics mint-almond-oil to oil my fingers to reduce frizziness and also make taking down my hair easier. I'm going to first remove my perm rods, then I'm going to go ahead and undo my braids, and then after undoing my braids, I'm going to go on ahead, separate my hair. Besides the mini flaky city we've got going on, I really love my definition. You see how defined my hair is right now? I really like using this line for my hair. It gives me really good moisture, and it also really helps to define my curls, my coils. One thing to keep in mind is whenever you are separating your curls, braid out, twist out, always look for a natural separation and then separate your hair. It makes it easier and it doesn't take out your coils or your curls. So after, I'm going to grab my pick and pick out the roots of my hair because hey, we all want a full look, okay? So as I shake my hair, can you see this bounce? I love the way my hair turned out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Ciao!